TriStar Manufacturing. We're going to show you today how to assemble a rake once it's mailed to you. So it's going to come in a nice box all labeled and everything with your labeling address right here. So we're going to open that box up. Going to pull it out. Might be a little tight. We do that for shipping purposes so it doesn't rattle around a whole lot. And inside the bottom of the box we're going to have an assembly card. So all we're going to do is we're going to, step 1, remove the pin from the handle. Step 2, make sure the label is facing up and insert one end into the other. The pin will not go in if the label is not facing up. And step 3 is line up the holes, insert the pin. This may be a bit difficult for the first few times, but the pin will fit. So we're going to unwrap this. Take the piece of cardboard off. So step 1, remove the pin. With the label facing up and the basket facing up. This is basket up, this is basket down. This is basket up. We're going to slide the pin right in, nice and snug. And we assemble them and we put with the label facing out, we put the pin in. That's how we do it in the shop. And it goes right in. It's not going to come apart. I'll show that to you one more time. So it's out, it was all wrapped up. We pulled the pin. We're going to slide it together. And see, now it's not going in, so I got to wiggle it just a little bit to get it to nice line up. And put the pin right in. And that's how it goes. Thank you. Have a great day.